Banks are really now looking at ways truly engaging with this new customer generation that's coming through. There's going to be significant changes the way that technology is deployed and used in this country.
So we wanted to discuss all of these challenges today in the banking sector and understand how the audience that we had in the room navigates those challenges that we're facing in the sector.
I think the opportunity that we have in this region with such a young millennial generation and everything that's coming up is how do we use technology, how do we use some of the more recent latest insights and everything and incorporate that into more traditional strategies.
People are engaging with brands in a very different way, in a very digital way.
It is still about understanding your customers, communicating with them and then delivering better experiences.
There's been a real boom in data science, use of analytic methodologies like AI and machine learning. And I think basically the customer, for the first time as long as I can remember in Saudi Arabia, is actually going to be driving the relationship with their bank rather than the other way around.